Hi everybody, Beau here with Digga. I'm here today to talk about our large drive offering. So we have 4 ranges in the large high torque drives. We have our SD, ranging from 40,000 foot-pounds to 70,000 foot-pounds. We have the MD Mega Drive range, ranging from 83,000 foot-pounds all the way up to 150,000 foot-pounds. We have our UD Ultra Drive range from 150,000 foot-pounds up to 230,000 foot-pounds. And last but certainly not least is our XD drive range. The Extreme Drive range runs all the way up to 365,000 foot-pounds of rotational torque. So all of our units are available with 4 different motor options. We have a single speed motor option, a 2-speed, a 2-speed high pressure, and a auto shift variable speed motor. Common applications, helical installation of helical piles is a big application. These in this range, when you're in the SD range, also very versatile, premium drilling option. A lot of people using them for big 20, 30 foot length CFAs. So we do offer these units with a variety of mounting systems. This is shown with our gimbal 4-way swing mounting. We do have that available on all of our drives. Up to 70,000 foot-pounds. Above and beyond that, we have a variety of jib extensions available, different cradles that allow you to pick up to the pile easily. So it definitely, whatever your application is, we'd have a mounting system for you. These are fit with SAI radial piston motors. They're very volumetrically and hydraulically efficient, very good startup torques. You get good speeds at given flow rates, and allows you to do your job, whether that be a helical pile install or drilling a hole. Once again, all of these are available with with a torque measurement system if you need a calibrated torque measuring device to ensure that the piles you're installing are installed to the proper torque. We are introducing our Halo alignment aid to the large drive range. So you'll have the ability to use the visual cues our Halo provides and making sure that you're putting the pile at the proper angle or plumb, whatever it may be, very soon. So again, happy for you to learn more about our large drive ranges. Please give us a call, area code 563-875-7915, or check us out at our website, www.diggausa.com.